Boxing Day is observed on December 26th in various countries worldwide, particularly in the Commonwealth nations. Its history has several potential origins and has evolved over time. Historical origins. The exact origins of Boxing Day remain uncertain. One possible origin stems from the practice of giving boxes containing gifts, money, or goods to tradespeople, servants, and the less fortunate by those of means on the day after Christmas. Medieval England. In medieval England, Boxing Day was associated with giving Christmas boxes or gratuities to servants who worked on Christmas Day, allowing them a day off to spend with their families. Alms for the poor. Some historians suggest that Boxing Day was a day for collecting donations or alms for the poor and churches' alms boxes, hence the term Boxing Day. Evolution. Over time, Boxing Day evolved into a public holiday marked by various traditions. It became a day for charitable giving, visiting friends and family, and engaging in social activities. Sporting events. In several countries, Boxing Day has become synonymous with sports events, especially football, soccer matches, and horse racing. It's a day when many sporting events and fixtures are scheduled. Shopping and sales. In recent times, Boxing Day has also become a significant shopping day, akin to Black Friday in the United States, with retailers offering sales, discounts, and promotions. Modern observance. Today, Boxing Day is a public holiday in many countries, and while the historical significance of giving boxes may have diminished, it remains a day for relaxation, socializing, and enjoying leftover festive celebrations. Boxing Day continues to be observed with a blend of historical tradition and modern customs, emphasizing both its historical roots and its present-day significance. As a day of rest, sports, shopping, and spending time with loved ones.